everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine, and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over the tap step called the Cramp Roll. So this is a pretty simple step, but once you get faster at it, it can sound pretty cool. So let me break it down for you here. So there's 4 sounds to this step. You're going to start with a step, right, left, just stepping on the toes, the balls of your feet. Okay, so right, left, and then to finish it, you're going to drop your right heel and then drop your left heel. Like I said, it's pretty simple, so that's it. That's all there is to the cramp roll. So it's a step, heel, heel. It's important that you go right, left, so that then you can start again on your right foot. So again, you have step, heel, heel. Okay? Once you start speeding it up a little bit, you can hear that the sounds kind of come together and meld together. So when you do that, you want to make sure, when you speed it up, you want to make sure that you're still getting those 4 distinct sounds and that they're not mixing together too much. So let's try it nice and slow, and then we will work our way up to getting faster. So starting with that step, heel, heel. 5, 6, 7, 8. Faster. 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 Good, nicely done. Let me try some facing you now so that you can see the forward facing view. So starting on your right foot again, here we go. Starting slow, working our way up to faster. Again, it's a step, heel, heel. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Faster. 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 Good, nicely done. Let's try left side now. So instead of starting right, left, step, heel, heel, you're now going to go left, right. So left foot starts. You're going to go left, then right, then left, then right. Again. One more time. I lied. One more time. Good. Let's do the same thing as what we did on the right side. So starting nice and slow, working our way up to a more advanced, faster cramp roll. So here we go. Left side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Faster. 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 Nice. All right. One more time facing you, starting on your left foot again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Faster. Faster. And faster. Nicely done. All right, so keep practicing those and you'll get them down. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, the thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe for more tap videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.